Ingo, Super Ingo.
No hands involved.
How important education nowadays for you? To have a diploma, to finish without using hand, ha? Hand gesture, no hand.
The important of important.
Dili to bang, oy, dili to bang ma. The important of education today is
Education.
Kanay na human ba? Kanay na human.
Ngay.
Nabu.
For I this week. For I
In my opinion,
Adi, for I mini more.
Birthday to come.
I'm the graduate of my teacher.
Who's your teachers in
My
elementary?
teacher is I am
How important education is? How important? Unsa ka importante ba ang nay na human?
Education gani.
Gani. Okay.
For education, mini.
More birthday to come.
I for education. Mini more. I have to know.
two hands, the left and the right.
I have to know.
I don't know.
Mini mo. Mini mo.
Life in your life.
Teacher. Helping. Yung ilaka. Helping.
Amsterdam.
Saba. Sige na ba? Halina. How important?
Aging da kay.
Ha? Gaya po makatubag. Uy, boy, lami ni nga ko sure.
Sige, usa pa ni mo try niya.
How important ba education is?
Education is to
Hands.
pupils like this. Pupils like this. To
Hands.
how to
Red.
discipline. Number 1, discipline.
And
How to a pupils that
English.
that pupils is to go to school, to go to
Library.
To market.
go to school,
To go to market.
a market, not to go to market, go to school and go to canteen to buy
YouTube.
To buy banana Q.
okay.
To buy ice candy.
Oh,
Sige na ba? To buy?
to buy
Chuba.
that money. Give them the parents. Give the money the parents. Go to the canteen.
With the audience who cannot understand or they're laughing. Nga tawaan ra sila go. Wala yun doon sa nasabtan. Ganun mga nananaw.
Bisaya daw go.
Bisaya daw. Gina.
Aging!
Agoy, dali na ba?
Ingo.
Unsa ka importante ang naimahuman karon? Unsa imong ma-advise sa mga estudyante be?
Para sa imo.
Paniasa sila.